I put new batteries in the radio. I have the aircraft with a bind, but the radio will not arm the motors. And I put fresh batteries in the radio, and the low battery light is beeping all the time. So I think this radio is defective. I put new batteries in it, and I think the beeping is keeping the aircraft from arming because it will not arm. That's the arm button. It will not arm the aircraft. I don't know what else I can do. These are all the buttons on the radio, new batteries, and it just keeps on beeping and will not arm the aircraft. The flaps work, so it is bound to the radio, but it will not arm the motors.